Welcome home. Offering a large view deck situated off the primary living space, you're going to find yourself captivated in Mother Nature, beautiful views, and a private setting. .535 Lupine Canyon Road inside the San Luis Bay Estates has a beautiful welcoming courtyard, is single-story living, and backs into a beautiful oak forest in a private canyon setting. This house is also complete with a great wine cellar or a large storage room, possibly a Harry Potter closet.